Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Here on Pool Talk with Trish, we talk all about swimming pools, and we specifically focus on fiberglass pools. And in a lot of my videos, I've been sharing with you information about all the different designs, the shapes and sizes of the fiberglass pools. And I've shared with you guys some great freeform pools, as well as some feature-rich rectangular pools. And I've got another feature-rich rectangular pool design for you today. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to talk about the Corinthian by Latham pools. So let's dive in. Okay, so the Corinthian by Latham pools. It's a fantastic rectangular pool that comes in 3 different sizes. Your smallest option is a 12-foot wide by 25-foot long. Your medium is 14 by 30, and your large Corinthian, your Corinthian 16, is 16 feet wide by 40 feet long. And what makes the Corinthian stand out is the incredible splash pad or tanning ledge that it has in the shallow end. And splash pads are a very popular option right now. They provide an incredible shallow space for kids to be able to enjoy and splash around, or of course for adults to chill out and relax, or even set up loungers and catch some rays. And with 3 different sizes, the Corinthian is a great option for any yard size. You can step in the shallow end from either side, and in both corners of the deep end, you've got really nice seat benches. So if you're looking for a pool with nice, clean, modern lines, plenty of seating, and of course that wonderful splash pad or tanning ledge, the Corinthian by Latham Pools just may be the perfect pool for you and your family. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, like it and share it out with anyone else you feel may benefit from it, and I'd love to see your comments as always. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out. Just message me, or you can call or text 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions, and you can always reach the Gary's Pool and Patio sales team directly at 210-494-5002. We look forward to seeing you soon, and we can't wait to help you get swimming.